Howdy, y'all. Remember this? It's my Blackstone. I haven't used it in a while for various reasons. It needs some seasoning, re-seasoning, cleaning, but I got me a cool toy. It was on sale on Amazon, of course. This is there's no brand, but it's a silicone mat for your Blackstone. Protect from rust, insects, and debris. And luckily I've got it set. These wind things help a lot to help keep rodents from getting up on the thing, especially if you slide them over to block the grease hole. That sounds like a nice name for a band, doesn't it? Grease hole. Anyway, this was on sale really cheap, and you know I can't resist a bargain. And oh, look at that, it's got little handles and it's stuck together. Wow. Trying to see if there's a front and a back. Doesn't look like there is. Looky there. Looky there, looky there. Huh? Perfect fit. Perfect fit. I actually read in reviews where somebody had cooked it with the silicone, and I don't think I would trust it. Because it gets hot, especially up here in the mountains. Hold on. Check it out. So in these long days where I don't use it, I think this is pretty nice. It's thick. Look how thick that is. Can you see? I don't know. Do I need to clean my camera? Anyway, we got the Blackstone back in the picture. So I think it's a winner. Regular price, I believe, was like 20 something bucks, 25, and it was half price. So at the half price, it was a real bargain. And in case you've been missing it, there's the view. Ain't it pretty? Yeah, the neighbors have added a little building there where they'll, I guess, make wine or something when if their grapes ever come in. It's been over a year now. Maybe 2. I don't know, I've lost track. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for hanging with me. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!